new here, I'm Lexi Vee. You should follow me on all my socials. Hey! Today, I thought it would be a great day to do a little summer night routine. I've been chilling all day. I actually drove back from Tennessee. I'm getting used to driving long distances because I never drove long distances. I was just too scared. So I drove to Nashville, even though that's like 2 hours. That's long enough for me. So I've just been having a chill day. I just finished up some work. I was working on some YouTube things. I'm about to actually go live with a video right now. And before I get on to my next task, let me actually make sure I go live. Sometimes I get up thinking I'm done and girl, can the video be posted? Hello. Sometimes my sister will do it, sometimes I will do it. Okay, so it's not live yet, but I just made this thumbnail. She's kind of cute. If y'all haven't caught up on my other videos, make sure you go catch up, girl. I've been very consistent, period. So right now, I think I'm actually gonna go pick up dinner. I wanted to like cook dinner and, you know, be all fancy in the kitchen, but to be honest, to be realistic, I have actually no groceries. So I think what I'm gonna do instead is just pick up some Domino's. And Domino's is the sponsor for today's video, so I'm so grateful for that because I actually have nothing. If you guys haven't heard, Domino's has new loaded tots. They have 3 flavors and I cannot let another minute go by without me trying one of those flavors. So let's go, girl. You're coming with me. All right, so I'm on my way to Domino's right now. Let's see what these loaded tots are talking about. I'm gonna do the Philly cheesesteak loaded tots and the melted 3 cheese. I placed my order. He said it's gonna be about 20 minutes and then we're gonna see. All right, I secured the pizza. Ooh, that smells good. The smell of these loaded tots is filling up my car right now. If you guys didn't know, Domino's came out with new loaded tots and they have 3 flavors: Philly cheesesteak, cheddar bacon, and melty 3 cheese. I am so excited to try this right now, you guys. I can't wait anymore. It smells so good. I can't resist it any longer. Hold on. Fork or finger? I choose finger. The one I just tried is the melty 3 cheese, provolone, cheddar, and mozzarella cheese. I'm not gonna lie, that was like a 10 out of 10. Now I gotta try the other one. All right, y'all know I had to get the Philly cheesesteak. That looks so delish. I need something with everything on it. Okay. If I were to choose a favorite, I'm going with the melty 3 cheese, y'all. This is something different. I really feel like the loaded tots can be the perfect addition to like any party spread. They're the perfect finger food. I could eat them all day. Make sure you order Domino's new loaded tots for just $6.99 each. Let me know which one is your favorite. I'm telling you, melty 3 cheese has my heart. Thank you so much again to Domino's for sponsoring this portion of the video and for putting me on to y'all's new loaded tots. Period. Let me grab a plate and act civilized because right now I'm just eating out of the box. Oh, I know I didn't show you guys, but I also got a box of pizza. Don't play. I'm just eating and watching Lissa's new video and I'm thinking I should, what happened to my hair? I didn't even realize that one side was white and the other side was pink. I don't know how I didn't realize that until I was like putting them on, but these are so adorable. I think I want to make some tea now. Look how cute this is. You can literally like, make tea in it. It's a steeper plus like a little kettle. Alright, so now I'm about to get ready for my shower, which is my favorite part of the night. I don't think I'm gonna wash my hair, but literally this is my favorite time of the night. Showers are so important. I feel so cleansed, and today I'm really gonna take this shower seriously because I have been out of town for the past few days, and this is like my first real day being back and having my own shower and all my products with me. So I'm really gonna take this shower seriously and take a moment to ground. It's just been a lot harder to ground myself when I'm on vacation or when I'm in a place that's not my own home and like my own things. So I'm just really excited to take a deep breath and like just chill. So I'm gonna get some candles going in here, get my lights on, and I'm gonna bring my little portable speaker because I have the perfect Spotify playlist for this right now. Like, it's Spotify. Okay guys, let's get into my skincare. I took my shower. I feel fresh. I feel clean. That was a nice shower. I really didn't want to listen to like music, so I just went for frequencies instead, which good vibe. Now I'm about to take off my makeup. I'm almost running out of cotton rounds, but luckily I have a few. I have been forgetting to take the makeup off of my face the last few days, and girl, that's got to be the worst. Like, I'm gonna be totally honest with you guys. Everything I'm doing in my night routine tonight, I don't do this every single night. If it's a good night and I can remember to get my routine done and not to just slack off, then yeah, we get it done. But sometimes it happens in a different order, and sometimes I'm just a little less disciplined on myself. So let's just be real, because that's all we can be. And ew. Imagine I went to sleep with all this makeup on my face. My skin would be screaming. I have my Still gotta clean my piercing, y'all, because belly piercings apparently take forever to heal. But this is what I've been doing, and I'm not gonna lie, this is low-key the sauce. So I'm gonna finish my skincare. Ooh, ASMR skincare. Anyways, y'all, make sure y'all do your skincare because your skin will really thank you. If you don't go to sleep with your makeup on, your skin will thank you. I did a face mask and my skin, oh my god, my pores so good. I be switching on my routine all the time when it comes to skincare. I really feel like it's about finding what's for you though, because not everybody's skin works for the same stuff, and that's definitely what I've experienced for my skin. Honestly though, my skin is pretty like, my skin be like working with me. It's just when it's my time of the month or something like that. But that's for all ladies. Like, ladies, when it's your time of the month, my skin just be going crazy. Ooh, I feel so clean, bro. There's nothing like self-care, especially before bed. Before bed self-care, cleaning my whole body, oral, face. Feels good. I'm gonna put a few drops of this hair strengthening oil just on this middle part, because middle parts for me tend to like really like strain my scalp. I don't know if that makes sense. It like puts a lot of tension on the middle of my head. So I'm just putting some oil because I'm also gonna actually loosen the scrunchie a little bit. Yeah, definitely do not need to sleep with my hair this tight. Okay, that's looser. I think I'm gonna probably wash my hair tomorrow. I didn't wash it tonight just because I really didn't feel like it. But it be like that. I don't always feel like washing my hair. Okay, real quick, I always have to brush my lashes before bed. That's how you keep your lashes looking cute, girl. Which I keep pulling my lashes out for some reason. It sometimes just feels so good to pull them out. If you get your lashes done, then you know what I'm talking about. I really want to get my eyebrows like laminated. I think that would really like change my eyebrow look. What I really want to do is get them microbladed, but I'm really scared to do that and to trust somebody to do that, and they mess me up. Like, that would make me mad. If I got it laminated, I feel like that would be really cute, because then my brows could just stay straight. Okay, now that my skincare is done, I'm gonna plan out my day for tomorrow, and this has just been another thing that's really helpful to do if I can remember to do it, because this puts me at like a head start. Like, if I know the day before what I'm trying to do the next day, which I pretty much already know, so I'm gonna plan it all out and I can really just get it done. So I'm gonna plan out my day tomorrow. I have another trip coming up, a big trip, which I'm really excited about, but I have to get stuff, so I don't know. I was thinking about doing some online shopping. I did some shopping today for all the beach stuff I'm gonna need. I'm thinking of doing some online shopping today or tomorrow. Actually going shopping, but I just gotta see, y'all. I just spent so much money in Nashville. I'm about to put this on. I never tried it before, but it's supposed to be a really good lip treatment. It's a conditioning lip oil, and I'm gonna just put a little bit of this on. Feels so hydrating. Oh my gosh. But people be street racing at whatever hour it is. People be driving so fast, and every time I hear a bunch of loud cars just driving really fast, I always hear a bunch of sirens following up with the car. Kind of plan my day for tomorrow. It's gonna be a pretty productive day. I feel like most of my day tomorrow is definitely gonna be editing. I need to get groceries, and I need to get healthy groceries, but I can't just buy random groceries. Like, I have to make a list and figure out what I'm actually trying to cook with the groceries that I buy, because one thing I hate is grocery shopping. I miss when my dad would just come home and he would be like, "Y'all come down and help put these groceries away," and I would come downstairs and it would just be grocery heaven. Anyways, I'm about to journal. I have so much in my freaking head that I just want to get out right now. I have a feeling I'm gonna journal for a long time. I know I'm not the only one who has to close every single door before I go to sleep. Like, no doors can be open. Yeah. My bed looks so comfy right now because I have this huge pillow. Like, this is not my normal bedding pillow, but this pillow right here is so comfy. I got my vision board. I like to actually look at this. I like looking up above my head when I wake up and seeing my vision board, because right when I wake up, it's just the perfect time to look at it, and right before I go to sleep. So I actually put this here like temporarily, but it's been here for a couple weeks and I'm not mad. Like, I actually look at it all the time, and I'm reminded that gorgeous girls don't quit on their dreams, and that I want to eat healthy and go to the beach. Normally after journaling, I will check my social media because honestly, we're all human. But what's really important is putting your phone down just a few minutes, maybe like 20 to 30 minutes before you actually plan on like shutting your eyes and going to sleep. I feel like makes a big difference. Not just falling asleep scrolling or falling asleep while watching something. When you really have time to clear your mind and just let it be blank before falling asleep, I feel like it can make a big difference. Okay, I hate falling asleep like playing TikToks or scrolling on TikTok. So anyways, I'm all done my journaling. I'm gonna go to sleep now. This is the current time. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up, hit the post notification bell, and hit that subscribe button. I love you guys. Good night, and I will see you in the next one.